This is a very simple traditional stir-fry vegetable dish. You use only three types of vegetables. One is the onions, another is the jicama or the bangkwang, and the number three is carrots. Shred them into pieces, thin shred julienne pieces like this. This is jicama, and then you can also shred or cut the carrots into long slices. You can use one jicama, one carrots, and half an onion, and make this into a very easy stir-fry vegetable dish. Once you have shred all the vegetables, here I've shredded all these vegetables. The jicama, I use two carrots, 2 to 3, and one onions for this amount. And I put them, after you have shred all the vegetables, just pour them into a very big bowl. You're now going to stir fry and slowly stir fry until it is softened and a little bit of sauce. And this is just what you have to do and make it a very simple vegetable stir fry dish. First, and the bits and bends that you shred out, some parts will not be able to shred all. You can add them in to make it a little sweet. You don't have to waste it. You can just pour it in and you can take them out later. Or you can just eat it. So first, this is a technique to stir fry. Because the amount is so much, it is very difficult to stir. So you will use this technique to stir. You push it around and you always stir from the sides to move it around so that different parts of the vegetables actually get contact with the heat. Once it gets contact with the heat, it will slowly become softer and become smaller. You will see the amount of vegetables become less, and that will make it easier to stir. Each time, push to the middle and stir and fold from the sides. This is the technique to use until it becomes less. I added some sea salt, about 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and now I'm adding some soy sauce into the combination. I'm only going to use quite a bit of soy sauce because this is the main ingredient to make it a little salty and also a little bit umami. That's about 5 tablespoons. So once you have this combination, all you have to do is to gently stir fry and fold until it becomes softer. Add half a cup of water, and that will make sure it doesn't scald at the bottom, and it will be easy to stir. You can see the heat is coming up. I'm using more than medium heat, so about half, average of 6. Yeah, fold from the sides. I want to show you more because I want to see. So I have put in the water. The water itself will also appear from the vegetable. So make sure you fold and also scald from the side. You don't want it to get stuck to the side. So always hold from the side and make sure you're moving it everywhere. So slowly you will see all the vegetables become very softened, and the color will be a little bit more brownish tinge, and that is very natural. It absorbs all the sauces that has been put in, and all you have to do, you see, is to stir from the side. Stir from the side and then fold from the top. Very easy if you use this way, otherwise it will all come out from the wok. So gently do this for about 15 to 20 minutes. The design is I'm putting in some water, about half a cup, and that will help to soften further the vegetables. You will see the end texture that you want to have is to have all the vegetables softened and all the sauces very well mixed into the vegetables. This is a very traditional stir-fry vegetable dish that you can actually make a bit more and keep it half of the portion and refrigerate it and slowly eat it with rice or any other or even with bread. So go ahead and do this very healthy vegetable dish for yourself and your family. And take a look at the end of how it will look like. Get a little bit more water if you find that it is very hard to stir, a little bit more water. All in all is about half a cup, half a mug of water. And then you will just fold until it becomes softened. All the vegetable becomes a little bit brownish tinge, absorbing all the sauces that has been put in. Remember the sauce that I put in is about 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar if you like. So the desired texture at the end will be like this. All become a little brownish and a little bit soft. And very easy now to stir, and you see the vegetable have turned about half of what you put in. The amount will shrivel and become this. Now continue to stir until the vegetables become soft.
Alexa, set a timer for 10
eat.
minutes.
So this is a very traditional dish, often used during the Chinese New Year or any special occasion. Sometimes people will add a little bit of more of prawns or dry squid in it, but here I'm keeping it very, very simple so that you can sauce this ingredient easily. 3 types of vegetable, half an onion, 1 jicama, and 1 carrots. Shred them thinly and add them all in. Stir fry until it's soft with a few soy sauce, sea salt, a bit of sugar, and also pepper as you desire. Go ahead and try this at home, and all the best. And thank you for watching. Have a good day and all the best. Bye bye.